Have you been wondering what Helichrysum essential oil is used for, or what Helichrysum oil smells like? Well, in this video, I'll share some of my favorite uses for Helichrysum, how to use it, and a few fun facts. Hi, I'm Lori Funderburk, an essential oil user and educator. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. I've been teaching about essential oils for the last 9 years, and I'm really excited to share with you about Helichrysum. Stick around to the end and you'll have a chance to grab a free essential oil usage guide with 100 essential oils and their traditional uses. Before I begin, let me ask you, what are your favorite uses for Helichrysum essential oil? Share them in the comments below. Now let's jump right in. The honey, sweet, scented Helichrysum oil is renewing to the skin and calming to the mind. Applied topically, it promotes a clear complexion and is soothing when used in massage. When taken internally, it offers powerful support to the digestive, immune, nervous, and cardiovascular systems. So what is Helichrysum? Helichrysum is a mountain wildflower in the daisy family that has slim, silvery leaves and yellow blossoms. Unlike many herbs, only the blossoms yield a fragrant essential oil, making Helichrysum precious. It takes 4.4 pounds of Helichrysum flowers to produce a 5 milliliter bottle of Helichrysum essential oil. doTERRA's Helichrysum is sourced in Corsica, France. So, can you put Helichrysum essential oil on your face? Well, Helichrysum is a favorite oil for complexion and is often included in anti-aging products. It promotes healthy, glowing skin and reduces the appearance of wrinkles, lines, and blemishes. Apply it to the face to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and to promote a glowing, youthful complexion. It also helps soothe minor skin irritations such as after sun exposure or shaving. Helichrysum's primary constituent is neural acetate, which has been shown in experimental research to be effective for reducing skin irritations. Neural acetate supports healthy-looking skin and reduces the appearance of blemishes and wrinkles. So what is Helichrysum essential oil used for? Thanks to its constituents, Helichrysum is also calming and soothing to the nervous system. This scent may also help reduce feelings of mental fatigue. Helichrysum's diverse emotional benefits can be enjoyed when you use it aromatically and topically. Use Helichrysum diluted with the carrier oil for a full body massage to increase feelings of energy and vitality. For a soothing sensation, massage Helichrysum into the temples and the back of the neck. Can you ingest Helichrysum essential oil? When taken internally, Helichrysum oil may help promote healthy metabolism and support the health of the digestive, immune, nervous, respiratory, and cardiovascular systems. To take advantage of these benefits of Helichrysum essential oil, take 2 drops of Helichrysum essential oil in a glass of water or in a veggie cap. Now here's a fun fact about Helichrysum essential oil. Helichrysum gets its name from the Greek word helios, meaning sun, and chrysos, meaning gold. So, sun gold. Helichrysum blends well with Hawaiian sandalwood, frankincense, bergamot, cypress, and lemon essential oils. Now, those are some of my favorite facts and tips about Helichrysum essential oil. And as I promised to share with you how to get my free essential oil usage guide with common uses and so much more. So click the link in the description below, add your email, and it'll show up in your inbox shortly thereafter. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit the subscribe button and please reach out to me if you want to schedule a free wellness consultation or if you want to learn how to get essential oils at 25% off. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.